Let's not make it complicated.
Assalamualaikum beautiful people, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna giving you guys this cool looking banner, and first of all like and subscribe. So guys, after downloading all the pack in link in the description below, you will find all the things like textures etc. Then you have to place it about your adjustment, and then you have to just drag this black layer on the top, so it will look like this. And the part here in the Android banner that will look to your viewers is just this thing. This is the safe area, and in PC this area also looks only in PC. So if you wanna have PNG image, you can place it here, or this is our account, so you can see. And the text we wanna made is just I have made it the text in the Pixel Lab. So if you don't know how to make transparent text, you can watch my video, link in the description below. And then you want to drag it below the red layer, and the adjustment of your text will be, go to color balance, will be 91 red, minus 100 green, and 99% blue, and it looks like this crazy purple, I think, or magenta. And this is enough guys. So again, assalamualaikum beautiful people.